are you? Alright, so today I'd like to share with very simple steak recipe that I do. I know most of moms working during the day and come home and feeling lethargic and you just don't want to do anything, right? And sometimes I feel exactly the same way. I just come home like I'm like this. Anyway, so this is very simple, no-brainer steak recipe. The first thing what you have to do, just take the meat out. I like to actually show you what I use. I normally use, you know what? Everybody has your own preference, right? So if you want to use grass-fed meat, that's fantastic. Because it tastes a little more beefier and it's more nutrient dense, right? And we do have pretty good markets right down there, and I use this grass-fed steak. I'm actually going to use this one for tonight's dinner. One important thing is what you have to do. So just let your steak out on the counter and you go into the bathroom, you wash your hands and change. So while basically you do things all that and your steak's ready here and stand for about 30 minutes room temperature, it's somewhat important. So you don't necessarily have to put salt and peppers and other things. So this is just a very simple, very easy dinner that maybe you can please your family. Alright? Are you guys ready? Okay, so let's go. See you later.